Hello, everybody. This is Faith Robin, the Sparkly Beater. I'm here today with my IT guy and wonderful hubby,
Peter.
Say hi, Peter.
Hi, Peter.
Hi, Peter. Okay. Today we're going to do a lot of Leah Sophia that we got from Shop Goodwill. And most of it is in like brand new condition. The rest of it's all wearable. So we're going to start with this first piece. This torc has very minor wear on it. For instance, right here, if you can see right where my fingertip is, there's a little wear there, but it's wearable because that's towards a little bit towards the back of the neck. And then what came with it were these wonderful matching earrings. Aren't they cute? Just beautiful. So the torc is 5 inches in diameter, and the earrings are 3/4 of an inch in diameter, and they have a 3/4 inch drop. So that is our first piece. We're starting off with a bang here. The next piece is right here, okay? And these are on the card. They're focus. They are Leah Sophia. I took them off the card and checked. They're just beautiful. They're in a gunmetal finish, and they have these nice large wing nuts, butterflies, whatever you want to call them, on the back. The prices will be in the description box. So this piece is a multi-strand, looks like 3 strands. This necklace is 15 to 18 inches. It's marked with the Leah Sophia mark, which I probably have upside down and backwards, but it's there. It's in brand new condition, absolutely brand new condition. No wear issues at all on the chain. So a very pretty piece. All right. Now the next piece, I've got 2 of these. This first one is on a snake chain, and by the way, that last necklace was a lobster claw necklace. This one also has a lobster claw, the Leah Sophia right there. Like I said, silver snake chain, Silvertone. Look at the back on this. I mean, no wear at all. This, when I looked it up, some people said this was real turquoise. I don't believe so. I think it's either hematite or magnesite. It doesn't seem cold to me. This one came new with tags. I don't know if you can, there you go. New with tags. And then we have an identical one, also in excellent brand new condition, but it does not have the tags. It looks just like the last one. Here's the next one. But as you can see, there are no tags on it. Also in beautiful condition. Okay, so there's 2 of those. This next one is absolutely stunning, just gorgeous. It's Abalone, and if you don't have anything that you're wearing in those colors, you can turn it over and wear this very neutral mother of pearl. It's on a fine snake chain. Let me see if I can get it untangled there. Okay. So it's on this fine snake chain, and it's 15 inch that extends to 18 on the necklace. Absolutely gorgeous piece of abalone. Okay. Our next piece is a fun piece. It's slate blue, and there are glass stones and metal stones on here. It has these beautiful glass, dichroic glass beads. Then it has these beautiful glass, faceted glass there. And then it has also these little blue crystals on it. So really lovely piece. Blue is my favorite color. So 36, and it extends to 39 inches, and it's just very long, but it's beautiful. Really long. Really long piece. This next piece is also a very long piece. It's a multicolored necklace with either glass, faceted glass, or crystal pieces here. Let's see if I can get it all in the shot. Here we go. Also lobster claw clasp, marked with the Leah Sophia hang tag right here. And it's very pretty. It's a soft blue, pink, gold, and green faceted pieces there. Like I said, I don't have a presidium, so I don't know if they're crystal glass or what. 32 inches to 35 inches. This one has, the links are interesting, but it's not real shiny. So I'm not sure if that's due to wear or if it was meant to be that way, because when I look at the faceted pieces, they also have that dull matte look to them as well. So I'm thinking it's meant to look like that. Okay, this next piece is an excellent piece for fall. It's 34 to 39 inches and it's quite long. And these are all enameled pieces. We have your mauve, or if you're speaking the Queen's English, it's mauve. This pink, this kind of slate blue-gray. More of these links. There's the gold tone, looks like a topaz. And then this one is kind of a deep peach. They are enameled on both sides. So if one of these flips over, you're still going to have the color. And this, what did I say, 34 to 39 inches with the extender. And here's the Leah Sophia tag. This one is also in like, focus. This one's also in brand new condition. Really pretty necklace. All right, very nice. So the next necklace we have is a very delicate style. Very, very delicate style. It's new old stock. Has the Leah Sophia, Leah Sophia tag, and it has this very delicate bead ball chain, and the pendant is also very delicate. It's a kite shape. If you can see that, I'll bring it up a little further. Kite shaped and has a little rhinestone. Has a little rhinestone in it. And it is 15 and extendable to 18 inches. Really pretty. Okay, the next one we have is a gold tone. This is the only one that I would say has a bit of wear on the chain because the chain is not quite as bright as the pendant. So I'll lay it down here. But it's still very wearable. This is an unusual pendant. It swings. Let me show you. It swings. The chain goes through the pendant this way. And there's a little black rhinestone there. Also marked Leah Sophia right here. And this one is 15 to 18 inches also. And you could wear it either way. You could wear it with the rhinestone, or you could turn it over and wear it without the rhinestone. It works both ways. Okay. And our second to last piece has me very confused because I looked this up. It's a horse. It actually might be a donkey now that I look at it. It could be a donkey. It looks more like a donkey. It's on this faux leather, which is in good condition. Everything, the findings, even the part here with the lobster claw and the springs holding in the leather thong there, It has an extender. It goes from 14 to 18 inches. This one is made by Leah Sophia, but there's an exact same one that's made by Tail Willow. So we were really confused about this piece because two different jewelry makers had it, the same exact piece, except for the Leah Sophia tag. Our last piece, I'm going to do a demonstration with. They're earrings. They are. They have a 1 1/4 inch drop. And let me put them out here so you can see them. Now you'll notice, if you can notice, one is much duller than the other. So I'm going to tell you about something I learned from Barbara, the Picky Chick. And that is when you're dealing with costume jewelry. Now this is not for precious metals. I wouldn't use it in precious metals, like sterling or gold. But there's this cloth, and it's called Sunshine Polishing Cloth. And I'll put it right there so you can see that. But I wanted to demonstrate that. I can keep this. There we go. So I wanted to show you that they work so beautifully on costume jewelry. I'm just gonna rub this in front of you. Give it a good rub. And can you see how shiny it became? It was very dull. Look how shiny it is now. And the same with the back. The back is rather dull looking. Let me shine it up. It's textured, so it takes a little bit longer to shine it up, but it does shine. And I'm just enthralled with these cloths. These cloths are just amazing. So as you can see, it has shined. Well, let's see where there you go. It's shined up the back. So this is I'm not sponsored by Sunshine Polishing Cloths. They do sell on Amazon if you're interested in purchasing them. They do a remarkable job. So that's the last piece. It's Silvertone with etching on the if you can see the etching right there. You see, they're very pretty, delicate earrings. I like them. All right, so that is our Leah Sophia lot. And if you are interested, as I said, in purchasing any of these, please look down in the description box to see if it's still available, and send an email to thesparklybeater@gmail.com, like right down there in the lower left-hand corner. If you like this content, please press the like, the thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't. Please press the bell for notifications. And if you would like to help us out, go ahead and share out this content so we can grow the channel.
We're at 236 subscribers. When we hit 250,
a giveaway, and it's going to be a secret, the giveaway. So yeah, when I get to 250, so that's a good reason to share out, everybody. And we'll see you again soon. All right, bead sparkly. Bye. Where's the torc?
How do you spell torc? T-O-R-K?
No, I think it's spelled like T-O-R-Q-U-E, but I'm not sure on that. Where is the torc?
Probably singing with the monkeys.